Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2020 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross, stock reference number 5161. The shape runs from the 11th month 2017 and is the current shape. It has a 4B40, 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 4B40, 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight, left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a ball tyre. Left tail light, tidy rear park sensor bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic center console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory touchscreen media player, left hand sun visor, courtesy lamp, rear vision mirror, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.